Hey, once again, I want to reiterate a point. My number and my contact information is at jasonsdavisconstruction.com. Wide open. But when you call me, I'm going to ask you what is wrong. And if you go to making fucking excuses and talking about they or whatever, or wanting to tell me a fucking story, listen, I don't need your fucking story. I got so many stories, they're crawling up out of my ass. Stories for motherfucking centuries. I'm here to help you solve your fucking problem. That's it. Okay? And don't ask me for fucking money. Please. Are we clear? Because most of you motherfuckers want to call and tell me how the world's beat you up. Well, guess what? I don't give a fuck. Until you're tired of it beating on you and ready to fucking beat back, don't call me. And go tell God I said so. God bless you. Fluid English.